Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now by making sure the phone is charged and you know the current PIN or pattern. You will need it. Open Settings, then Security, then Fingerprints. This path gets you straight to enrollment. You do not need to reboot or install apps. The system handles it. Once done, remove any screen protector edges that lift because they interfere. Make sure your finger is clean and dry. You want consistent skin contact, not a slide. So press naturally and follow the prompts. Now tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen guide. You will lift and rest the same finger repeatedly to capture multiple angles. You should deliberately change angle and pad placement, center, sides, and the fingertip so the sensor builds a full template. If the sensor misses, reposition slightly and try again. Do not press too hard or too light. Once the progress bar reaches full, the phone stores a robust template. Make sure to name it if prompted. To avoid confusion, finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for screen and optionally, app locks. Confirm the toggle options now. Test unlocking 3 to 5 times with slightly different grips so you see real-world reliability. If your finger is wet or the protector sits too high, you may get errors. In that case, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll after cleaning the sensor and skin. If problems persist, try another finger or a factory settings backup. You will then know whether hardware or enrollment caused the trouble.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.